Welcome to the Growth Board, where smart strategies meet big decisions. Why your biggest risk is not the competition. We spend so much time looking over our shoulder, analyzing competitors, chasing market trends, trying to stay ahead. But what if the real threat to your business isn't across the street, it's inside your own walls? Here's the truth. Internal threats consistently cost companies more than external competition. We're talking about fraudulent transactions, policy violations, manual process errors, misuse of access rights, supply chain blind spots. These are the risks that don't go viral on social media, but silently drain millions from your bottom line. A recent report by the ACFE found that the average internal fraud case costs $1.7 million. And most of these losses go undetected for 12 to 18 months. Now ask yourself, how much of that risk sits in your systems right now? This is where the CFO becomes a shield, not just for finance, but for the entire business. Internal risk audits, automated controls, culture of accountability. These aren't compliance checkboxes. They're business imperatives. For an example, a manufacturing firm discovered $600,000 in overpayment due to duplicate vendor entries, something a quarterly internal audit caught. Before that, the issue went unnoticed for over a year. And it's not just fraud. It's errors in payroll, inventory shrinkage, poor access management, and misaligned policies. CFOs must lead by mapping high-risk processes, setting automated thresholds, and alert training teams to report and prevent issues early. When internal controls are strong, you don't just reduce risk, you build operational confidence across every function. Think of it this way: your competitor might take your customers, but internal failure can take your company. And the CFO is the one who ensures that never happens. So before you study your competition again, look inward. Because the strongest companies are not just competitive, they're controlled, audited, and resilient. And that resilience begins with the office of the CFO. Thanks for watching the Growth Board. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.